That's all burnt. I think they burnt it here though. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we decided to do something a little bit different. We're gonna take our Mercedes off-roading, our Mercedes G55.
Hey, okay.
It's a Mercedes. You know? So we're gonna take it. We're actually locating something that's. This is like the off-road kind of area of Sacramento. It's like right on the side of. Where are we even going? What's this area? Is it called? It's Roseville?
Like Rio Linda, Roseville area. Yeah. In the middle of nowhere, basically.
Dyer's Lane. It's a Dyer's. It's a famous place. If you don't know it, then sorry to hear that.
Anyways, but we're gonna jump the G-Wagon, right?
You know, we're gonna definitely break something, but we kind of have to try it. You know, we have to try at least once. And I've always wanted to jump my first one. Didn't happen. Rolled it over. You rolled it instead. I'm kidding. Bad joke. Anyways, my second one. I don't know. We'll see. So first of all, we gotta find a location for off-roading. So like all these fields right here, but we need something with like hills and stuff. We gotta flex. We gotta flex our suspension a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully we shouldn't flip it, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, there's a whole field of cows.
Yeah, there's a lot of animals here. Let's not go anywhere there's animals. I don't want to just jump and land on like a goat or something, you know? Because, you know, I love animals and stuff.
Wow, I never knew that. So fun, we missed a turn.
Yeah. Dude, there's ditches on the side. I honestly cannot see how deep they are. Yo, check this out. Grass is so big, I don't know how deep it is, so I tried to just sand it. Because what if it's like 6 feet? You know? Because our goal is not to flip another G-Wagon.
That's the main goal for today, not to flip the G-Wagon.
If we break something, it's okay. It's not okay, but it is what it is. But, oh, look at that. And this looks like a nice area. You can already see people with their bikes. So let's actually wait for this guy to drive out and actually drive in there, and let's go do a little bit of adventures on the adventure.
Oh, heck yeah, there's a guy to the left too.
All right. The suspension is so much better on this one than my other one because I had low profile tires, and I still took it off-roading. Remember? Yeah. My old one. All right, so let's see what this place leads us to, because we've actually never been here. So.
Alright guys, there's our next build right there.
Yo, let's go to car. What is that? That looks like a hatchback Civic right there.
Yeah.
Yo, let's go. Okay, so the grass is big, so if we hit, I don't know. I hope we don't hit anything, but we're just sanding it.
Full sand here.
Oh yeah, big time. Look at that, dude. I can literally touch the grass if I open the window.
Legit.
That thing's like right here.
That's crazy.
All right, let's check out our car. Let's check out our new build, guys. All right, so was I right?
Yep. All right, guys.
Is this a hatchback Civic, or what is this? Oh, it's not even a hatch.
It's a Beamer. It's a BMW. It's BMW.
No
The 3 Series has these seats.
It is.
That's sick.
No, you need some BMW parts.
We got you guys.
Right here.
Yup.
We'll sell you. I don't know, cheap, probably like $250. You know,
brake booster.
Dealer's like $800. We got the hookup like $250.
For sure. Brake booster, full interior, steering wheel. You guys name it. We got everything.
Oh, this is why I thought it was a hatchback. Look at this damage right here. So that side's normal. This side just goes straight down. That's pretty sick. Think I could drive on this thing?
If it had a hood. See, it's kind of sketchy doing it over here.
Yeah, if it had a hood. Like, there's like a whole bunch of like, there's miles of like pretty much nothing.
So me and Fonzie just talked. We're not gonna get this car. We see a bunch of other ones back there. There's one right there.
It got the suicide. We can make suicide doors, huh?
Heck yeah. That's better, dude.
Alright, so basically, options. This door can actually close the back door or the front door.
And the front.
It's you just gotta put a little bit of WD-40 so it just takes the squeak over. But alright, let's go. Let's keep going.
Let's go to the next build.
Alright, let's just hope not to run over anything serious like rocks and stuff.
Fonzie, this thing is a tank, my guy.
I'm not worried about the car, I'm worried about the rocks.
Oh.
You just smacked your head. Put your seatbelt on. You know, I should probably put mine on too.
Probably. I mean, we're not good.
Water.
Heck yeah, send it.
No.
Send it.
I can't.
Oh, man.
Hey, if I'm getting it dirty, I'm getting it really dirty. I'm not just gonna go in a little puddle and just. I'm gonna have to wash and detail my car for like 2 seconds of fun in the water. If I'm going in the water, I'm going in the water the whole day, like Dave did. Dude, that guy had what, like mud inside his engine and everything. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a road right here. It's a lot more sketchier than the one we're driving on, so we're definitely gonna take the sketchier road. Okay. But look at the sunset though. We found something bigger. Look at that. There's something bigger over there.
Oh, heck yeah.
We gotta go check it out. Let's go. We decided to go off-roading, but we actually ran into a lot of cars, like burned down cars. Literally burned down. I think this is where people come to like get rid of like stolen cars. Because there's more Franks over there or whatever. So I'm just gonna send it. There's no road that way, but we'll kind of just make a road. Look at that.
For sure.
We should have probably just wrapped the front bumper, but whatever, we're gonna switch it anyways. We're gonna be building this car.
Yep. That's how tall the grass is, guys.
So we're just risking it right now.
Risking it for the biscuit.
Bumper is gonna be so scratched up. Oh God, it's gonna be
good, bro.
Messed up. It's okay. Like I said, we're changing it after the Audi. After the Audi's done, we're actually gonna start building the G-Wagon. So everything's gonna go. So I'll probably end up selling the old parts, but for cheaper now, obviously. Now they has scratches. And if they ask me how, I don't know.
We'll just say it was from bugs and stuff.
Bugs. A lot of bugs. Dude, that's a van, and it's rolled over.
Kind of reminds me of your old G-Wagon. Having flashbacks?
Yeah, we're talking about like not rolling over a G-Wagon, and then there's a rolled over car. It's crazy. Is that another BMW? What is that?
It does look like a BMW. Yeah, that's a 3 Series. Yeah, it's a 3 Series
Don't
BMW.
like a lot of people steal this. Look, everything's burned.
Dang.
That's crazy. Let's go check it out. It
is another.
Yeah, you can tell the seats.
I guess people don't like their 3 Series.
They don't like the 3 Series at all.
Man.
That one's burned down. That's a van. Something definitely like some kind of crime happened in that van.
Yeah, that's super sketchy.
It's one of those vans that has free candy in them. I got free candy and puppies. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, this is stuff. It has seatbelts. Yo, who needs seatbelts? This thing legit has seatbelts.
All right, guys, we're starting a bid. Starting off at $100.
$100?
$100, yeah. It's a limited time. It's a limited offer.
Look at this. It's crazy. It has seatbelts. I mean, they're blown. But
that ain't a problem.
This sounds like a rollover as well. This door is stuck though. Yeah, people completely strip these cars and just get rid of them. I don't think that's a 3 Series. That's probably one of those really ugly.
No, that's a 3 Series, dude. Look at this.
Some rotors. We're shopping for new builds. We went off-roading. Oh, I don't want to go in there. Look at that.
Climb in.
That's crazy. Look at that. That's all burnt. I think they burnt it here though.
Yeah. Anybody need some rock sliders? In mint condition.
Mint. Yeah, you just gotta sand it down a little bit, sandblast it.
Oh yeah.
The rust. Under the rust, it's perfect.
Yeah. We know what we have.
Look at that. Got the pulleys and stuff. That's sick.
All right,
let's keep going.
Yeah, next build.
Let's keep going. So right now we're really just driving through grass because we lost the roads.
Yeah.
The sketchy road that we took. So there is no road anymore.
we are the road.
We're making a road. Look at that. Look behind me here.
Look at that. We are literally making the road.
Yeah. So somebody's gonna be like driving behind us. Oh, somebody went there. It's a road. Let's go.
Ha! False alarm. Leads to nothing.
Okay. Well, the grass is getting taller and taller. You know. So, what's our goal here? Because we wanted to go. Well, technically this is off-roading, but I kind of wanted to go like there's a trail or something, like a dirt bike trail.
Like actual off-roading.
Oh, that's a dirt bike trail.
Yep.
Oh, well, at least we found a dirt bike trail, so we'll just take that.
We're almost there.
Yeah, it's not, you know, our goal is to find like a Porsche, maybe like a 911, 2017s or 16s.
I think this.
I'll work with a 15, I guess.
Yeah, we don't take anything lower than 14. Sorry.
Yeah, so. All right. I don't know where I'm going now. So.
There's a road here, yo. There's a road here going that way.
From what it looks like. All right. Well. This doesn't look. This is like the dirt bike tracks.
Yeah.
But we'll take it anyways. We will work with what we got.
Facts.
Yeah. Which we didn't got really nothing. So we're just gonna have to work with nothing. So. All right. So we actually ran into our own road that we made.
Interesting.
So, yeah, right there. That's where the frames are. So now we're just driving in circles. And what's crazy is we actually drove away probably like 100 feet, and we already can't see the frames, and so it's all the grass is.
Yeah.
And it's like kind of hilly and stuff. So yeah, we're kind of lost in the middle of a flat. We're gonna just head towards those trees right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's kind of where we came from.
Send help, guys.
Send help. SOS. Let's avoid that. It's like something fell here, like a spaceship or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
we got the road. We got the road. We found it.
Yeah, alright, let's go. Let's get back on the
to where we came from.
Oh, that's the puddle right here.
Yeah.
That's the water. That's crazy. Yeah, let's go find something more interesting. Even though this is pretty interesting, there's a lot of cars, stolen cars. So we will not drop the location. We will not drop the locations.
Yeah, so don't ask.
Not because so you guys can't come here check out the cars, because some of you thieves will bring your cars here.
Yeah.
To disappear. So, I'm kidding, that's jokes. You know what I just noticed actually? Our Red Bull did not spill at all. And we were just jumping the whole way. Look at that.
Oh heck yeah.
And it's like pretty damn full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, we're not sponsored by Red Bull. Not yet.
Yeah, in order for us to actually get sponsored by Red Bull, we're probably gonna have to jump the G-Wagon off a cliff or something.
For sure.
And that's probably like a 1%.
I mean, but Red Bull does give you wings, so.
True. Does it say that?
No, it doesn't say it on here. I thought it did.
Well, we can't find any hills to jump our car, so let's go find some hills.
There's some barrels.
Somebody was definitely cooking something here. There's burnt cars. We better leave the crime scene, because this is one whole crime scene. So the truck that was driving out didn't even look like he was off-roading either, so.
Super sketch.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. More barrels. Yeah.
Lots of barrels, lots of cars.
That's crazy. More barrels. Everywhere. It's still mint. You know what? I actually did alignment like 2 days ago. So
sick.
Probably gonna have to go and redo it.
Nah, it's a G-Wagon, bro. If it didn't spill the Red Bull, the suspension's mint. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Dude, look at the sunset. It's crazy. Actually, we took some sunset G-Wagon pictures literally 3 days ago. It's on our Instagram, Foreign Pills. Go check them out. Smash that like button too. Leave a comment.
For sure.
So hopefully we actually capture some sunset pictures with this G-Wagon, because the other one was white, right?
Yeah.
It was white one. I said right like we have so much G-Wagons. We don't have that much G-Wagons. We have 2 or 3 or whatever that we're currently like working on.
Hey, but our collection's growing though.
Collection is growing, yeah. But we find the best deals. We're actually gonna do a video on the white one, and actually I think that one literally came out the cheapest for us, and it's a 2011 G55. Sadly, we did not do a rebuild video for YouTube, but we're probably gonna make a video on it and do a price reveal and go over the whole car, actually how much it cost us to build it like that, because that thing looks sick.
Oh heck,
it looks sick. I personally don't like white cars, but you know what, that one right there is, it's a acceptable, right?
Something about white G-Wagons.
So we've been pretty much driving around for like 30 minutes. It's already getting dark, and we're still looking for a good off-road place to jump the box, to jump our Mercury's.
Yeah.
We can't find anything. I mean, the thing is, I didn't really want to go like drive like really far because this area is actually right by our house. I mean, it's like only like 10 minutes away or whatever, you know. So we're just kind of looking for anything. I mean, there's a whole bunch of fields and rivers and creeks and stuff. I was hoping there's something for off-roading here.
Watch us find something.
Let's
as soon
looking.
as it gets.
All we did is find a crime scene, pretty much.
Basically.
A few moments later.
Straight up plowing.
Almost.
Dude, you got a heck of dirt on your bumper. Send it. Oh heck yeah. That's sick. Who needs an excavator when you got a G-Wagon? Alright, Fonzie, let's go park the G-Wagon back before your dad notices. Alright guys, I'm 6'3" and this thing. I got
Hop in. Dude, we can just go stargazing right here.
Honestly, fall asleep.
We're just we're laying. The seat is just standing up. We're legit late. Let's get out of here. We're having too much. We're doing too much. We're being too extra.
Man, sucks that the sun is down, but was a fun.
Yeah. Anyways, we gotta find the place before it gets dark. What are we doing? Hold on, let's stop real quick. Kind of in the middle of nowhere, but let's go look at our front bumper because I can hear a whole bunch of dirt just gushing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
What are you saving some for later or what?
Saving some for later? Yeah. Oh my god, we got some into our radiators. Our little radiator here. Get out. Hopefully they didn't bust it.
Nah, we should be fine.
Nothing's leaking, so we're good. We're mint. So we're probably gonna have to somehow get all those rocks out of there. Alright, sadly we actually did not find any cool off-roading place. We found a lot of cool things that are off-road, but nothing cool like off-roading places. We are going to probably go do some extreme off-roading with this car before we build it because I don't really care much about the stock bumpers and stuff, and they're metal, so you know, if we hit something, whatever, they're metal, you know, not much damage, plus we're gonna be switching it out. And it got the fat tires right now and the fat wheels right now, so it's gonna be a lot better for off-roading, because when we do build our G-Wagon, it's gonna be wrapped, it's gonna have the nice whole body conversion on it,
the whole deal.
It's gonna have nice probably 22s or 24-inch rims with lower profile tires, not really low, just lower. So I'm probably still going to take it off-roading because sometimes I'm just an idiot like that. But let's hope we don't take it off-roading. So we're probably gonna just take it like extreme off-roading before we actually build the G-Wagon. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, go ahead and smash
seriously, smash the subscribe button.
Smash it.
Yeah.
Smash it. Just like we smashed that pile of dirt with our G-Wagon.
Facts, yeah.
But yeah, smash the subscribe button if you guys actually want to see us do some off-roading with this car. Drop a comment. What else you guys want to see us do with these cars? And that will be it. It's getting dark. We can't do much more. And we're out.